Hey guys, Sachin here, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you the highest converting Warriorplus offer right now. Okay, so this is the video which I'm recording in 2023 and 22nd of Jan. So as of today, I'm going to be sharing with you some of the offers which have converting really well for me. It has converted really well for you of all past couple of years, and I'm going to be sharing with you some of the vendors ID which you can basically target, and you can just promote their offers. Okay, because initially whatever you spend on advertising, the first intention is to not only give the good product to your subscribers but to recover your money back. So it is really important for you to recover your money back so that you can have your subscribers base at really low cost, and then you can basically scale it up with daily broadcasting, emailing them, whatever you're doing for your promotion. Okay, so the first thing is to get your money back. So for that, you need highest converting offer. Okay, so what I've seen for the past 4 to 5 years is a low ticket offer, like the front end price between $7 to $10, or maybe max $11 to $12, is easy to convert with paid traffic like solo ads and all the different kind of traffic. Okay, and initially I would recommend you to get if you get some OTOs on that particular offer, try to get the resale rights for that particular product so that your profit are going to be doubling just with the same effort. Okay, so in this video, let's see which are the highest converting Warriorplus offer, and this is based on my experience, my friend. It can differ from a lot of different people. This is just what I have got results. That is what I'm sharing with you. Okay, so let's get on to Warriorplus. So you can see over here, when you log into your Warriorplus account, you can see the top products. You can see which are the offers which are converted today, yesterday, 7 days in a row, and you can easily find out which are the offers converting really well on Warriorplus. But these are some of the specific niche offer, like for those people who are in software or different kind of YouTube creation, YouTube software, Facebook ad creation, all that kind of stuff. What we want are the offers which are simple to understand and which are specifically targeted to make money online from home with not a lot of techie stuff. Okay, so for that, I'm going to show you some of the vendors ID. Now, these are the vendors with whom which offers I have promoted, and they have converted really well. And what I've seen with these vendors is they are really good at managing refunds also. It's very important, my friend. When you get a sales, you need to have that money, because if you're getting like 10 sales and out of 10, like 5 of them are refunded, then probably you are losing a lot of money. So what you need to understand is basically those vendors who are really supportive to those people who buy their product. They answer all the questions. They handle the refunds very smartly. When somebody reach out to them for refunds, if they don't like a product, they give them additional bonuses. They give them some Facebook group coaching, that kind of thing, so that they can hide that refund request. Okay, so this is a really smart strategy which some of the vendors really do exceptionally well. Okay, so these are some of the vendors which you can basically, you can pause this video at any time and read out all the information. So basically, first we're going to be doing is we're going to be copying this ID, and we're going to go to this affiliates and offer page, and here you can basically type in that particular vendor's name and click on search. So you would get all this offer, and you can see most of his offers have converted really well. That 22% is a really big number when it comes to like 10,000 units sold. So this is a really great offer with a front end price of like $7. Okay, you can target this offer, and you can see the average sale is also great, and the refund rate is decent. Okay, normally with Make Money Online, The normal refund rate is between like 15% to 20%, my friend. Trust me, there are a lot of refund requests because a lot of people don't like to work. They don't like to watch their training inside a members area. They buy the things and then they want everything to get it done for them easily, which is absolutely impossible. Okay, so there's a lot of refund requests when it comes to make money online stuff. So you need to basically work with those vendors who are really smart with handling the refund requests. Okay, now the next one is Elite Media Online. We're gonna come over here and we're gonna type in over here and click on search. So we get all the offers which are related to this vendor ID, and you can see over here these are some of the offers which are converting really well. All right, now what I want to show you is the stats from my personal experience. So let me go into this affiliate stats, and you can see over here this ID which I just showed you, Elite what is that, Elite Media Online. So they had this offer way back, Profitorial 2.0, and you can see over here I've got decently good results. So EPC of like 71 cents, which is really great. And this guy handles the refunds really smart. 4.3 conversions with like I guess it was like 200 clicks, 300 clicks. All right, so with that range, 71 cents EPC is really great. Then another example is from the Brendan Mays offer, which is 0 to 100. This is Brendan Mays offer, and you can see the EPC was like with my email list is 99, almost like $1. Okay, with this solo ad, some of guys got decent return. Now the email follow-up, you can see over 1.57. okay, this is really great with email follow-up. And these were some of the other methods which I used to promote this offer. This is another offer which I promoted from the Brendan Mays, this particular ID. All right, and you can see over here suddenly like you can see the conversions, 5.2 conversion, $1 EPC. This guy gave me $2.44 EPC, and these are really high quality traffic vendors, my friend. You can try it out. I'm going to be putting the link to this vendors marketplace over right below this video. You can try it out, and you can see over here then this guy a 3% conversion, 1.80. okay, now why this offer gave me that high EPC? Because trust me, listen to this, this offer had a recurring commissions. Okay, so month after month there were some subscribers who were on the recurring commission basis. All right, and after 4 to 5 months they thought it is not good for me, so they canceled the subscription. But eventually it was like 50 cents EPC, and then after 4 to 3 months it gradually increased that EPC. Okay, so this is the power of some of the vendors which I have shared with you. Brendan Mays offers, and search for that offer which has a recurring commissions amount, my friend. You can certainly try it out, Brendan Mays. I can show you one of the offers from Brendan Mays which I could recommend. Certainly, because I think it's really powerful to get a recurring commission. So let me show you if I could get it. Okay, so you can go to this one. Okay, you can see $102 a day, and if I click on this offer, I'm going to show you that not only this offer is having a recurring commission, but I have also have 100% commission across the entire sales funnel, and that is really powerful, my friend. Once you get offer converting, get the resale rights, my friend. It's gonna just double your commission. All right. So you can see over here, this is a recurring offer, and this is like $37 every 30 days. So maybe the subscriber cancel after 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. Some of them even are there for like 1 year, my friend. Okay, so don't think that they're gonna be canceling in the second month. No, some people sometimes they even forget the things. Okay, they forget to cancel the subscription, and they're there for maybe 1 year. Okay, trust me, I got a ClickBank offer, which is like a John Prostani's super affiliate system, which had a recurring commissions OTO number one for like $247 per month. And guess what, my friend? How much long did one person was there on my subscription? It was for like 2 years. 2 years, $247 per month. That guy was there for 2 years, and after 2 years he canceled the subscription. I don't know why, but eventually, if you think about it, at $247 and I'm getting 50%, that is like 113, 115 I used to get per month for straight 2 years. Okay, it's incredible. So make sure to pick up an offer which has got a recurring commissions, my friend. You can see over here, this is a great offer which is absolutely teaching something which is evergreen. Don't assume that there are a lot of people who assume that randomness offer are scammy. No, my friend, no offer is scammy unless until you don't work on it. Okay, people buy the product, they see the members area and they think, oh, I have to watch all these videos, then I have to take action. I don't have time. And then they say that the product is scam. This is absolutely false. You need to work on it. Every product is a training program. Okay, you need to watch the training, you need to apply the steps, and then if it's not working for you, you can reach out to the vendors. Okay, nowadays there are a lot of Facebook group where you can connect with the vendors and you can get a really one-on-one help also. All right, so this is the offer which I would highly recommend. Rest, I have shared all the vendors ID which I think are having a great Warrior Plus offer which you can use to promote with solo ads or any kind of advertising. They have a high converting OTOs, my friend. The OTOs are converting really well. If you see digital page designs OTO, it's absolutely, one customer can buy 7 to 8 OTOs straight up. EPC are going to be absolutely skyrocketing. Then Breakout Industries has a really great offers. James Fawcett is the vendor's name. You can promote this offer. Elite Media Online, it is like Jason Fulton's vendor ID. Sir Branson is Branson Taste vendor ID. So please try out this vendor's offer, and you're going to be getting a really good results. All right, so that's it for this video. See you there in the next video with some of good content. Until the next time, have a great day. Bye bye.